All right, so I was on Facebook and somebody was having some questions about solar, and I know Google has a solar API. I had some issues with it, so I figured I'd give it a try. After using Cursor, it took about an hour and I was able to get this developed. You can see if I zoom in, you can see the property address where solar panels are set. Obviously, there's a little overlay based off of how they map it out. Get some insights here. Annual sunshine, roof area, max panels. You can adjust the panels. So 73 and add some here. Adjust it, tells your energy. You take the solar panels away or add back. So no solar panels. Solar panels. Get data later. So if we want to see monthly sunshine or if we want to change it. So aerial image. We have hourly shade, and then so the shade, and then that goes through. Oh, there it is. A time. So 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5, 6, 7. Sun's starting to show out. 8, 9. Boom. So there's that, and then we have some analysis. So cost per week, solar incentives per watt, so on and so forth. That took about an hour of going back and forth. I even got it hosted, so it is hosted in Firebase. Yeah, let me know.